National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 2:15 p.m. At 1:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roseland, moving south-southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dyer, Homewood, Hosen, South Chicago Heights, Dalton, Sauk Village, Robbins, South Holland, Merrillville, Thornton, Riverdale, Linwood, Phoenix, Dixmoor, Munster, Highland, Ford Heights, Hazel Crest, Calumet City, Glenwood, Griffith, Lansing, Cherville, Hammond, and East Hazel Crest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.